Hi, just a short video to show you this Dyson V6 Total Clean. This is serial number MF3 UK HJB1195A. So it comes with everything, as you can see. Everything has been fully cleaned. The filter's been washed, the head's been washed, the bin's been washed. The brush has been taken apart, cleaned and put back together also. Comes with a brand new 6.4 mAh battery. This is brand new just for this listing. Comes with everything, as you can see. I'll just show it working quickly. Please bear with me while I try to plug it all together one-handed. Now, as you probably know, Dyson has two modes. Press the battery on the back for boost. It does use the battery vastly quicker. Say it is in good, clean use condition. The wand does have scratches. There, as you can see in the video. Comes with combination tool, crevice tool. Wall mount has no screws, just put a couple of screws in it, you can put it on a wall, and a brand new replacement charger. To charge, if I can do this one-handed, simply place in when it's plugged in the wall, and the light will come on to say it's charging. To empty the bin, simply pull down when this is full, when it's over a bin, and then tip all your rubbish out into a bin. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.